Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how you can create Facebook landing pages on LeadPages. LeadPages helps the businesses connect with an audience, collect leads and close sales. As you know that Facebook business pages are crowded, chaotic and don't allow for a single call to action. LeadPages will help you in creating unique, high converting landing page, allows you to better position your offer, better quality your leads by explaining your offer in greater details and gather retargeting data from the Facebook pixel that is automatically placed by LeadPages. So let's dive further into it and see that how you can create a Facebook landing page in LeadPages. You can get started by using the 5 easy steps. Like, first of all, you have to choose a template, then customize the look and write your copy, add images, and at the end you only have to publish. To get started with LeadPages, you need to log in into your account. If you are new to LeadPages, then sign up with a free trial using the link in the description below. So here you can see your LeadPages dashboard loaded with a lot of options and providing different stats. At the left under the dashboard, you have to click on landing pages. And now you have to click on create a page. LeadPages offer over 200 professionally designed landing page templates for you to choose from. These templates are designed with conversation in mind, mobile friendly and utilize all the latest best practices, meaning most of the work is already done for you. So let's choose a template. Like I am interested in selling products, like I am going to select a product template. After clicking on start building, it will take a while. After it will ask you about the page name. Select a suitable page name like Internet Bob. Once you choose your template, it's a time to make it your own. LeadPages drag and drop builders allows you to make changes very easily. So let's start by understanding some basics which will help us in designing a beautiful landing page according to our needs. So after setting up the page name, it will redirect you towards the LeadPages editor, and here you can see a lot of options in the left dock, and let's explore these options one by one starting from the bottom. So if we click on settings, you can see the SEO option. This option is for the search engines. Like you can control that how your content will display on search engines like title, description and etc. And in the social media section, you can control how your content will show on other social networks, and in the analytics section, you can set up Google Analytics or Facebook pixels. Like it is like custom tracking. Okay, in the languages, you can set 5 more languages. Now let's move to the next option, styles. Here in the buttons, you can see you can change the button style. You can change line, gradient, you can change the button text. Like font style, you can change the button font style. You have every option to control the button things. Okay, and in the fonts, you can change the headline font, and you can change the text font too. And in the background, you can add the background color according to your need, and you can even add the image or as a background. And in the favicon is something like you can see here. This is favicon. It is small icon that is showing in the tab. Okay, So in the CSS section, this is actually for developer. You can even customize things more according to your need. Okay, so let's get into the widget section, and you can see there are a lot of options in widget. Like you can add text. It is just like drag and drop thing. Okay, like drag and drop. Okay, text, image, video. You have more options, like even progress bar. Like let's drag and drop here. Like you can see, this is the progress bar, and you can add these widgets according to your need. So now let's move to the sections. In the sections, you can see the pre-built blocks. Like you can select any, like facts, and you just have to drag and drop like this. Like you can add any section anywhere by just dragging and dropping. Okay, so now let's move toward the layout portion, and in layout you can see the arrangement of sections. Like you can say that layout is just a collection of sections. Okay, so you can customize them. Like you can change their arrangement by just picking up and dropping. Okay, you can just change their arrangements. Okay, so you can see that how easy the things are to do in page leads. So you can see that this is how much easy to build the page here. Okay, as you have seen that lead pages makes it easy to edit, add or remove things. This is where you can establish your brand personality and go into details about the many benefits of your product or service. Here are a few tips to help you in making a compelling Facebook landing page. Like you have to make sure that you have start with an attention grabbing headline. You have focused on benefits over features and some of amazing reviews to build some trust, and present your product or service as the solution and some resolvable objections, and finish with a strong call to action. Moreover, you don't have to worry about saving a page. It will save automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing the data. Okay, so now before publishing this page, I will recommend you to preview it on desktop devices as well on mobile devices. So click on preview button, and here you can see you can preview it on desktop device like the end, and here on mobile device, click on mobile device, and you can preview it mobile device too. So if you are completely happy with your page, it's time to publish it. So let's get back to the editor and click on publish. After clicking on publish button, like you can see, it is asking to set your lead pages domain. You can add the custom domain here. Okay, so I'm leaving it as it is, and now I'm going to click on save. Now your Facebook landing page has been published, and this was our today's tutorial. Hope you guys will like it. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon